Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT in blue jeans metallic with gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has the XTR package, which adds a little bling with chrome bumper, grille, handles, tow hooks, and running board. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. This vehicle also has reverse camera and navigation. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is an 8-way powered seat that includes lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, power pedals, lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of your running board and a grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. So we'll just get in there. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when we press the end, it'll appear on your dash, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. In the center there's a little cubby, and you also have your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And on the screen we can touch for your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You have voice activated navigation, and the map will come up for that. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And then in our settings, we can slide through for different options, Wi-Fi, automatic updates, and 4Pass. And then you're seeing volume and tuner, your climate control, front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, 4x4 with lock and differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, a couple of USB and a 12-volt outlet. There's also a little bin down there. In the center, a couple of cup holders, and you can open up your armrest for more storage. Then flip it up for another seating position. It has a seat belt. You can unclip it underneath, and there's more storage down below. Off to the side is your 12-volt, and you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, you have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 18-inch chrome-like PVD wheels, mud flaps, chromomagnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Backup camera is located just below the handle. You also have a forward 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when we want to open up the tailgate, simply put your hand in the handle. You've got this nice drop-in liner, a generous box of 6.5 feet, and tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily pull the tab and lift the seat right up. That gives you more room on the floor. And then to bring it down, pull the tab again. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And on the floor you have all weather and carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center there's a 12-volt, couple of cup holders, and there's USB outlets on the left-hand side. Up above, hooks and lighting. In the back, a big window with rear defrost. And one of the things that I should mention is with these doors, they open 170 degrees. So if you need to get something a little bit bigger in the back, it just makes it that much easier. Bumper, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.